Cratering or sissing is one of the most common defects in the repainting process. This video will show you what cratering is, the reasons why it appears, and how to correct this defect. Cratering is a defect that occurs in intermediate coats and especially in the top coat. It is mainly caused by the presence of contaminants such as silicones, fats or oil which repel paint. In some cases, due to previous surface humidity problems, this defect can penetrate to the paint substrate, making its repair even more difficult. The main causes of the appearance of cratering are related to the presence of contaminants in different supports, such as booths, application equipment, atmosphere, or on the surface itself. The use of dirty cloths containing residues of resins or other substances, added to a non-uniform cleaning movement of the support, will contribute to the formation of cratering. It is also important to ensure that any silicone polish is removed from the surface to be painted, and that no cleaning solvents are allowed to dry on the part's surface. Any impurity in the application equipment can cause the appearance of cratering or sissing. In the case of air equipment, we must take into account a correct cleaning and maintenance of the compressed air line, preventing it from containing traces of water, grease or oil. As for the spray gun, we recommend always using a suitable solvent for its cleaning, then drying it thoroughly, especially when using waterborne products. Booth fume saturation caused by combustion chamber leaks and dirt on filters and floors are possible causes of this defect. We must control the state and functioning of the booth, renewing filters, cleaning the ducts and carrying out periodic purges in the installation. If the craters generated are not very large, a good solution would be to sand the surface of the part with P1500 sandpaper, increasing the grain as needed to finally polish and glaze the surface. If the defect is deep, we'll have to sand down to a surface that is free of defects. We will then clean it meticulously with anti-silicone solvent and then start the painting process from the base. If the defect is very noticeable, we can use a special anti-silicone additive, always following the indications provided on the technical datasheet.